This week's Hard Facts is an Instagram hack. And we all have that one friend who is great with technology, and every now and then they let you in on a little bit of a tip or a trick, and that's exactly what I'm talking about this week in Hard Facts. So thank you to my friend John, who showed me how to make Instagram life even easier. And it's posting to Instagram from your desktop. And when he showed me, I was like, where has this been all of my life? So let's screen share to make this even easier for you to follow along. I'm going to show you how you can post to Instagram from your computer. And there's actually two ways you can do this. And both are going to be by utilizing Chrome. So first you want to make sure you're logged into Instagram, and you can see I'm logged into my account right here. If you don't already follow me, find me. I'd love to follow you as well. So let's connect on Instagram. But the first way I'm going to show you is via a Chrome extension. So if you head over to the Chrome store, you'll go to chrome.google.com, as you can see up here, and type in desktop for Instagram. Now, I've already done this, and the extension that I'm going to recommend you add is desktop for Instagram. So this first one that comes up. Super simple. You want to go ahead and click add extension and then authorize it to do so. So what you'll see is this additional icon pop up in your toolbar menu. Now by clicking this, it's going to, since I'm already logged into Instagram, very easily open it right within my Chrome browser. Now you'll see here that we are now in the mobile experience of Instagram. So just post as you normally would. So now you're going to want to find whatever picture you were going to utilize and post. So we'll use this one. It's a fish vote I received earlier this week. And so you can go ahead and edit it, apply any filters you'd like to apply, and then you can add all of your comments and additional information. So one thing I do, and if you haven't checked out our content calendar hard facts from a few weeks ago, check that out. I actually work on what I'm going to be posting ahead of time, so that way it creates a really easy way to execute. And everything is already typed. I've got my hashtags. Maybe I want to add a location, and then I can go ahead and click share. So super simple, and I've just posted a brand new piece of content to my Instagram page, which you can see live. On to hack number 2, there are a few additional features by adding the extension that you receive. So if we're scrolling through my feed, for example, and I say, love these kids, want to save this photo, or maybe I'm even doing a collaboration with them and have the ability to utilize their images, you can actually download the image, which is this download icon here, and you'll see it pops up on my screen, or you can open it in a web browser to be able to save it for later. So make sure if you're going to use this, you have the rights to these photos, but it is a great way to be able to save some of this content as well that may be utilized in the future. You can go ahead back over to our Instagram page, and what you're going to do here is you are going to right click. When you right click, you want to hit inspect. This is going to bring you over to a development tools window, but we only care about one thing here, and it's going to be that this icon, this toggle, is selected. What that means is that you are now viewing this as if you were on a mobile device. What you'll need to then do is refresh your page, and you'll see it brings us over to that mobile experience. Now, what we want to do is we want to post. So go ahead down to that plus and click as if you would normally post. Now I'm going to pick another image. And so you can make changes, you can move things. So this is a picture of the farm and a rainbow. So maybe I want to add a little filter, brighten it up. Click next, copy my content over, and I actually haven't written anything for this one, so I better get to work. And then go ahead and click share just as we did in the previous screen, and voila, you've posted to Instagram. So it's easy as that. I hope I'll be seeing you post even more on Instagram now that you've got a quick hack to make it faster and more efficient. If you've got a hack that somebody shared with you, share it in the comments, send me a direct message. Maybe we can feature you and that hack in an upcoming episode of Hard Facts.